Hi everyone, in front of me I've got CUBOT R19 and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint to this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and now let's scroll to find security and location. Now let's take a look at the device security section, and on the fourth position we've got the fingerprint, so let's enter. And as you can see here, we've got the information that you will be able to unlock your device with the fingerprint or authorize the purchases, sign into apps and so on. And here we've got also the information that the fingerprint may be less secure than a strong pattern on PIN. What's more, I wanted to say that if you do not have the pattern PIN or password currently set, then your device will ask you to do it before adding the fingerprint. It is because if for some reason the fingerprint sensor won't work, then you will still be able to unlock your device without the need to go through the hard reset operation and without the need to lose all the data. So remember about that, it's very important, and actually you want to be able to add the fingerprint without adding the backup pattern, let's say backup screen lock. Okay, so let's tap on next. As you can see, I have to confirm everything with the pattern. Probably here you will have to add an additional screen lock. And as you can see here, we've got the information that we have to touch the sensor, which is located on the back of our device. So let me put my finger on it. And right now we have to do it multiple times in order to add our fingerprint fully. So try to catch every corner, just slightly move the finger, of course, for better recognition. Okay, and as you can see, we just added the fingerprint. It wasn't that hard in this device, in this model. So if you want to, you can add another. If not, just tap on done. And here we've got our fingerprint because we just got back to the security and location. So let me tap on the fingerprint. Let's enter the settings which are available right here. And unfortunately, as you can see, we do not have a lot of options to customize, so we can add the fingerprint, an additional one if you want to. If not, here we've got the fingerprint we just added. We can remove it just by tapping on the stretch bin icon, or we can tap on it and rename it. So let me do it, because why not? Let's tap on OK and let me check if it is working. So let me lock the device and let me put my finger on the sensor right now. And I felt the vibration. As you can see, the device is unblocked, so it means that we just successfully added the fingerprint to it. So actually this is it. This is how to add the fingerprint to your CUBOT R19. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.